Hey Snack Squad! Are you always on the go but still want something healthy and delicious to munch on? Well, today I'm talking about snacking smarter, not harder. I've got 5 quick and easy, power-packed snack ideas that are not only healthy, but will keep you energized all day long. Snacking has been a thing forever. Like, even cavemen probably had their go-to energy bars of nuts and dried fruits. Fast forward to now, and snacking has evolved into an art form. But let's be real, not all snacks are created equal. That's why we're focusing on bites that are wholesome, easy to make, and taste amazing. So, let's jump into it, because no one has time for boring snacks. Let's start with easy energy balls. Mix oats, peanut butter, honey, and dark chocolate chips in a bowl. Roll into balls, and pop them in the fridge. Boom! You've got yourself a sweet, protein-packed snack that's perfect for on the go. Who is up for nachos but with a twist? Yes, I am talking about these healthy apple nachos. Slice up an apple, drizzle with almond butter, and sprinkle with granola and a pinch of cinnamon. It's like dessert disguised as a snack. Your taste buds will thank you. Now, let me show you how to make this yummy, creamy Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey, and some crunchy granola. It's healthy, filling, and looks so fancy, even though it took you 2 minutes to make. Next, we are making veggie dippers. Slice cucumbers, carrots, and bell peppers, and pair them with a quick hummus dip. You'll feel like a snack boss without breaking a sweat. And finally, we have the showstopper rice cake magic. Take a rice cake, spread some almond butter on top, and add banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Trust me, this one's a winner. Remember, snacking smarter doesn't mean giving up flavor. It's all about quick, healthy bites that make you feel good. Try these out and let me know your fave. Until next time, keep snacking like a pro.